Well, welcome back to the channel, guys. Bank fishing. We're back with another video, and I'm gonna show you this kit that I've got at Walmart. And I've already got my pole set up, so we're gonna do a few more. Gonna do a few casts out there, see if we can catch a fish. So, it is starting to get dark soon, so I'm gonna try to be somewhat quick on the fishing. So let me grab this kit real quick. All right. See if y'all can see that. I hope y'all can see that. There we go. There we go. I got this Ozark Trail Fishing Kit, Creek and Pond Fishing Kit. It's a 50-piece fishing kit, and it has got all these little grubs, centipedes, crawdads, crickets. It's got some weights, hooks, and bobbers. It's a 50-piece set. So I've already got one tied on my line. So let's get started and throw one out there. So I'm just using my spinning reel, my Lube spinning reel, and I've got this pink grub lure thing with a split shot weight. So go out here and see if we can catch something. I did a few casts earlier and wasn't getting anything, so maybe we'll get lucky and catch something. Now I know this kit's probably going to be best to work in the spring where everything is spawning. Probably not the ideal to use it right now in the winter, but it might get the bluegill's attention. It might bite it. So maybe if we're lucky. That's the thing about fishing. Just never know. Never know what you're gonna catch. So, but yeah, I saw that at Walmart. I figured, oh, that'd be a nice little video to make. Probably better in the spring, maybe, but it was $5. I was like, $5? That's pretty cheap for just to get started. You know. Figure I'd put it to the test. Do a little fishing challenge with it. Nice little fishing challenge. Ozark Trail Fishing Challenge. I have seen that Walmart has stepped up their game on the Ozark Trail on their fishing reels and rods. I've not yet bought one yet, but I might want to try one out. They look really good. Seem like they work pretty well. All right, let's try this area over here. So maybe I'll give me one of those Ozark Trail bass casters and spinning reels. Give them a try. Try them out. Yeah. Try it out. Like we're trying out the kit right now. This little pond, creek and pond fishing kit. Yep. Sun's about to go down soon. Starting to get chilly. Yep. Boo, boo, boo. I know last year I caught quite a bit of fish out of here. I know there's in the spring, there's a lot of bluegills in here, a lot of green sunfish in here. Quite a lot of, I'm hung up. Oh, I saved it. I saved it. Thank goodness. I did not want to tie another hook on. Fixed my lure here. I don't have that hook exposed out, but try not to get hung up again. Yep. Well. Try over here. I'm just not getting anything today. Getting skunked. It's gonna be the second time I get skunked over here. At least last time I had a couple of bites. Yeah. Look like my chances is down to one chance. Maybe. I don't know if that was a bite or not. Felt back out there. Could have been a bite. Could have been a bite. Guess not. All right, let's go back over here. Go back on our spot. Original spot. Hit the bridge. Ain't never good. There we go. See if I can see you. Oh no. The thing malfunctioned. There we go. There we go. Fixed it. There we go. Just leave it alone. Make sure y'all can see. Looks like we ain't getting anything. One more cast. One more cast. That wasn't a very good cast. Let's try that again. There we go. One more cast. Yeah. It's definitely winter time. We ain't gonna get nothing. Let's get another skunk. Another skunk. All right. hopefully get some better weather, not so cold. Have better luck fishing. Well, guys, I'll show you this kit again. Can y'all see? There we go. There you go. There's the kit. Probably want to try that out in the spring, not in the winter when it's cold. So, but yeah, I want to tell you that. That's pretty neat. Tells you how to hook, make your knots and everything, and be great for kids to learn how to fish. So I thought that was neat. I wanted to share that to y'all. So. Well, guys, thank you for joining this channel. Thank you for this video, watching this video. Push that like button, push that subscribe button, and comment down below. Tell me what you think. I'm sorry about my little thing over here getting messed up. I think I'm having little issues with it. They just fell apart. I'm going to have to get another one of these or something if it keeps coming off. But anyway, I want to tell you about this kit again. Pretty neat kit. We're going to have to try this out in the spring, not in the wintertime. Well, guys, thank you again. And always remember, have fun fishing. And we'll see you again next time.